Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. These recipes are going to be cookies. So if you need a new recipe to try for your Christmas baking, you can come back and check each day for Christmas Day. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. First cookies, I'm going to make Gari cookies. This is Gari, found in most West African countries. You can use it for so many things. You can eat it in soakings, that is, you add water and sugar and add that milk, make it tasty. You can make it like a bar and eat it with stew or soup for you. Today we're going to use it for making our cookies. And the ingredients we need is the Gari itself. We need all-purpose flour, we need sugar, eggs, salt, a little bit of milk, vanilla extract, nutmeg, a pinch of it, and baking powder to make it rise. So first I'm going to pour the Gari and process it a little bit to get a smaller so as you can see it looks much finer, and I'm going to go ahead and add the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add my flour. I'm going to add the sugar, salt, baking powder, nutmeg, and I'm going to mix everything together so the ingredients. I'm going to add the butter and process it again. So I'm going to add 2 eggs I'm breaking into a bowl so that if there's something wrong with the egg, there's blood or something, I don't by mistake add it to it. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to pour all this into it and process. I like it to be a bit softer, so I'm going to add a teaspoon at a time to the right consistency that you want. So this is our butter right here. I'm going to pick spoons and mold them into balls. So after molding everything into equal sizes, I'm just going to use the fork to press down and also create a little bit of a design on it. And I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven, which is 350, for about 10 to 15 minutes. The first batch of the cookie is ready, and you just want it to start brown at the edges, and you bring it out of the oven, and you want to make sure that under is just like this. And here we have our pretty Gari cookies. And if you want to decorate it, you can either sprinkle a little bit of sprinkles before baking, or a little bit of, after it's cooled down, you can also just decorate it with melted chocolate. And Gari pairs really well with peanut butter, so you can just melt a little bit of your peanut butter with chocolate, or just the peanut butter, and just drizzle it on it, and it will be perfect for any occasion on any table. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, and see you tomorrow for the next cookies. Bye.